Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting documents so the process is uninterrupted. Make sure your mobile number is active and matches your KYC details. Once done, open the Kissht app or website and sign up with OTP verification. Upload clear scans of Aadhaar and PAN and link your bank for statement retrieval. Doing this first saves time and reduces verification delays because the lender uses those files to instantly estimate your loan amount and interest before you proceed. Now you fill in personal, employment, and income details carefully. Accuracy matters because mismatches delay approval. Choose the loan amount and tenure and immediately review the EMI schedule and APRA to compare cost. Authorize bank e-verification via OTP so Kissht can fetch statements. If asked, upload extra proofs like marginal tax or employment letters. Once your offer updates, double-check figures and click Apply. This starts underwriting, which uses automated scoring, followed by a quick manual review if needed. You finish by reading the sanction letter and accepting terms with an e-sign via Aadhaar OTP or in-app signature. Doing so authorizes dispersal. Confirm the bank account details for credit and expect funds in 24 to 48 hours once final checks clear. If there is a hold, make sure KYC is complete and uploaded docs match. If problems persist, contact Kissht support with your application reference ID. That troubleshooting path resolves most delays quickly and keeps your loan on schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.